Hi! In front of me is Honor 90 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. You need to begin by holding your search bar and clicking on Remove in the pop-up. After that, to confirm your choice, select Remove in this one, called Remove Search Widget. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar is gone. You can also pinch your device's screen instead. Then hold your search bar and drag it to Remove section at the top right corner. When the search bar turns red, let go. Then tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!